Well, it's Thursday again. I gotta come up with something different because I'm always saying, well, it's Thursday again. And I'm heading out on another adventure, but this time with the new White Hawk. And guess what? I'm not alone this time. Heather is coming down later, but I am not alone. We actually have my son and his buddy. So my son, his name is Gavin, and his buddy is Colby. And they will be heading down with us, riding with me, and we should have a really good time. So we're gonna hook up and start heading out. Can't wait for the adventure in the new White Hawk. How's it going? Pretty good.
Good.
Last name's Shrag.
Okay, and you guys are checking in?
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to get your license plate right down here. And then if you just want to pull up and keep going towards the one over there.
Like I'm going up that hill?
Yep, like you're going up that hill.
Okay.
And then come on in and we'll get you set up.
Okay.
Hold on one second.
Thank you. Oh, here we go. Bon Jovi. Probably gonna have some copyright problems. Oh, so far this campground is pretty darn cool. There's all kinds of things to do. You do have to pay for a lot of the stuff. Zip line's like $70. Par 3 golf is only $9. Mini golf is $4. Don't know how much boats are. Swimming is free. Oh, you just lost some food. Get it. Anyways, we're having a good time, right? The boys are back. They don't want to be on screen, so.
What is up, you guys?
How are you?
I'm Heather.
I'm John. Do we have to do that all the time?
Yes. What if they're watching us and they don't know who we are?
Good point.
Right.
We're at Woods Tall Timbers. It is, I guess it has a new Philadelphia address, right?
It does.
And it is about 45 minutes south of Canton. 77 to 250 to 39.
So, what do you think about this park?
I think it's pretty cool. Campsites are tight, if you can tell here. That's them and that's us. So, it's kind of tight. There's a band going on tonight. Acoustic. What are they called? I don't know. 2 guitars.
Yeah.
That's what we call them.
Whoa.
Am I on fire?
Oh, no, but that was very loud. Anyway, for those of you that travel with a big rig, you got to know what you're doing. This is definitely not a campground I don't think you want to come to if you're a first-time camper.
No,
first-time pulling.
They will ask you when you. They should probably ask you when you make the reservations.
Right.
But they ask when you check in. They're like, "Are you okay with going straight up and down hills and hairpin turns and backing into areas that are extremely tight?" They have so many boulders and hills and dips and fences that you really have to know what you're doing. I mean, we see some big rigs. Well, that one back there just pulled in not too long ago. It's a 40 footer, but he really didn't have that bad of a spot. It's when you get up these hills and up that hill back up there, it's scary. It's fun.
Even in my little car, I come up the hill to the park and I was like, oh my gosh. Lots to do here for kids. Behind us there's a playground, basketball courts. They
Swing
have the lake.
sets, everything for a toddler up.
Yeah.
The lake. What else?
They have
Par
zip
3
line.
golf course.
Is this 7?
Yes.
Oh, come on.
Smooth.
It's right next to it. Right beside the hole.
13 or 14 zip line course that'll cost you $70. But it is cool because there's a zip right here behind us, and you can hear people screaming, and they come flying out of the woods right over top of the camper and then back into the woods. So that's kind of cool. We've ziplined quite a few times at Hocking Hills, so we would like to try this one out and compare the two. We might do a video on that. But those are the boys, they're back.
How much did the golf cart cost us?
I don't know.
$100?
$136. Something. Oh, paddle boats, electric boats. The electric boats have water cannons on the front. The swimming was great, right?
Yeah.
It's a spring-fed lake. Our neighbors over here told us that it's cold, but the boys were in today and they said it was wonderful. And it really wasn't that warm today. What was it? It got up to what?
Probably 78.
It's not. I'm channeling my inner samurai.
Okay.
It blows you away as soon as you pull in. They got flags and all the water's there and all. I mean, it's like a visual overload all at once as soon as you get up over the hill. The wood carvings, they took trees down. What did they say, about 80 trees? And they carved all of the trunks into different animals, and it's amazing. You have to see. We're going to put a shot of each one in the video. But
that was cool that they didn't just take the tree down and leave it be.
Just
they
a
really
stump like the state parks.
They really did some cool artwork with it.
Anyways, oh, by the way, whoosh! I could have killed you, all because of this.
Alright, you guys, keep going out there, keep making memories. Maybe someday we'll see you out there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like and subscribe button if you already haven't done so.
Share it with your friends.
Share it with your friends. We actually have a really big adventure coming up in about a week. So you guys will have to stay tuned, see what that's all about. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.
No. Until next time, we'll talk to you later. So what was I going to say?
Sorry. I channeled your inner
I wasn't ready
samurai.
for you. All right.